Hello, I'm Dr. Karim Kurji, York Region's Medical Officer of Health. Recently, we have been seeing a steady but slow increase in the numbers of cases of COVID-19. When we look at our analysis, it appears that a large number of these individuals can be attributed to having acquired it from house parties and weddings. The numbers at these house parties may have been such that physical distancing was impossible. We have found that the attack rates at some of these house parties can be as much as 40%. Given that, it is prudent that we reduce the numbers greatly at any of these house parties. We understand that the public health measures table at the province is reconsidering the limits on indoor gatherings. The other area of concern is the increasing numbers of workplaces that are being affected by outbreaks. We have at present around 10 such places and at least 25 that are under surveillance. It is very important that business owners take into account all the safety measures that they need to take to keep their employees safe. In addition, employees should refrain from going to work should they have symptoms of COVID-19, even though they may be mild. For we have had instances of individuals being in the workplace for 2 to 3 days before being isolated. It is important that we all work together to keep the numbers down. We have many resources for employers on the york.ca COVID-19 site. As our children head back to schools, we have a number of situations which we are closely monitoring and what we say are schools under surveillance. A preliminary assessment seems to suggest that the measures in place that have been instituted seem to be built in to keep our children quite safe. And there seem to be several layers of protection there. So if we adhere to these guidelines rigorously, we should be able to keep our children safe. We shall be posting details of the school situations on our website shortly. Finally, I'd like to remind everyone that we all need to do our part at rigorously preventing COVID-19. By so doing, we keep the likelihood of outbreaks in our schools low. So please physically distance by 2 meters or more, wear masks if in indoor public places or on transit. Also, wash your hands regularly and stay home if you have mild symptoms of COVID-19. And please access testing at the 3 assessment centers located at the hospitals in York Region, and these are open 7 days a week. So stay vigilant and stay safe. Thank you.